Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ages Kingdom. This is Anita, and in this class I would like to take topic from Anatomy Physiology. I think already we have covered some of the topics like starting from the mouth and till stomach we have covered. And I would like to take some of the accessory organs, and that is already discussed salivary glands, teeth and tongue also. And among that, one of the accessory organ for digestive system is liver. So this topic I am going to discuss in this class. So let's have a look into the slide. And when we speak about this liver, you can see this place of the liver, or we can say the part of the liver is occupies on the right side of the abdominal cavity, below the ribs, and right side of the abdominal cavity it is occupied, and it is the largest gland of the body. It's the largest gland of the body, and then it occupies right upper part of the abdominal cavity, and it consists of exocrine and endocrine, both parts will be there. And the liver performs a wide range of functions, like major function of the liver is metabolic function, and it has homeostasis, means it makes the body balance. It makes the body balance. Whenever glucose levels comes down, it will try to make utilize of stored glycogen, make it into glucose, and sometimes when glucose is more, it will be converted into glucose to glycogen and stored in the muscles. So this is all maintained by the liver, that we call it as a homeostasis. And the next function is it helps to maintain the nutrition, and at the same time it is even helpful for immune response also. So this is about introduction to the uh, liver. Then when we speak about, one second, when we speak about main functions of the liver, we can see it, posterior aspect of the liver, we have a gallbladder, which secretes the bile, which is helping for the necessary for the digestion of the food at the same time, and it helps for the storage of the glycogen, and it synthesizes the protein, serum protein and lipids. And third important function is it detoxifies the blood from endogenous and exogenous substances. Like suppose if you take any form of toxins means some maybe poison or anything, or like intentionally taken any poison like pesticides or something, or any drugs or alcohol, etc. This is all call it as a dangerous substances. It helps to detoxify. So liver will helps for the detoxification, and it produces the hemopoietic cells of all types of cells during the fetal life. That means hemopoietic cells, we call it as helping for the new formation of the new cells. So it is helping in that way also. So that is about main functions. So coming to the location, where it is located. If you stand on the in a anterior position, in anteriorly right side, means towards the right hand side, right side the liver is occupied. So when you see the borders of the liver, you can see it occupies the right side, just behind the ribs, and it is just crossing towards the left side also. It's just crossing towards the left side. So we can see here the content is the liver is almost fully occupies the right hypochondrium, it's already I mentioned, and upper part of the epigastric region. This is called upper part of the epigastric region, and part of the left hypochondrium up to the left lateral line. This is the line up to left lateral line it is reaching, and it extends upward under the rib cage as far as the fifth rib anteriorly on the right side, and fifth intercostal space. So the sharp inferior border crosses the midline at the level of transpyloric plane. So this is the lower border of the liver just reaches to the pyloric plane of the vertebra. So this is about location. Overall you should understand it occupies a right hypochondric region, and extending behind the ribs from the right side to till left side of the hypochondric region it is extended, and a lower border is reached up to the pyloric area. So that is about location. And when we speak about size, shape, and the color. Please note down the points, very very important. Shape, the liver wedge shaped liver, and resembles a four-sided pyramid laid on one side with its base and directed towards the right, and apex detected towards the left. So one word we can say shape of the liver is wedge shape. And weight of the liver is, in males usually it is 1.4 to 1.8 kgs, and in females it is 1.2 to 1.4 kgs, and in the newborn it is approximately 1/18th of the body weight is liver weight only. In a newborn it is 1/18th of the body will be of weight of liver weight only. And at birth the weight of the liver for the newborn baby is 150 grams, and it is proportionally in adults 1/40th of the body weight liver weight will be there. So that is about. And the color is in red brown in color. I think you have seen in so many places. I can say liver the same shape will be there if you cut the chicken. In the chicken when you get buy from the shop, if the liver pieces are there the same way, even the liver is existing in the human being. So the shape is wedge shape. Weight is 1.4 to 1.8 kgs in males, and 1.2 to 1.4 kgs in females, and the color is red brown in color. And what are the external features? External features means superiorly, anteriorly, how it is looking. So already I said it is a wedge shaped liver. So it represents like a two well defined surfaces. Like the upper border is covered by a diaphragmatic surface, and lower border will be with a visceral organs. Upper border is covered with a diaphragmatic, and lower border is with a visceral organs, and one well defined border will be there that we call it as a inferior border. So that already I have discussed this. So overall there are two surfaces are there. One is upper surface, it is diaphragmatic. We can say superior portion of that liver occupies and covers by the diaphragmatic, and inferior portion is covered by a visceral organs, and other one well defined border is inferior border. And when it comes to the diaphragmatic surfaces, so this and all is not required. Just have a look of the liver, and I will explain you with one complete liver part. So So here you can see anterior portion of the liver will be how it is looking like. Anterior portion of the liver is looking like what way? It is like a dome shaped diaphragmatic surface, includes smooth peritoneal areas which face superiorly and anteriorly. And next one is